Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Corolla door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, locate all visible screws, typically found in the armrest and door handle areas. Carefully remove these fasteners, keeping them organized to avoid loss. Then, gently begin to pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. To start, ensure you have a plastic trim removal tool. This prevents scratching your door's finish. Begin by removing any screws located in the armrest and around the inner door handle. Some models may have one or two hidden screws behind small plastic caps or covers, so check thoroughly. Keep all removed fasteners in a small container to prevent them from getting lost during the process. Once all screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel. You will hear clips releasing as you work your way around. After the clips are free, lift the entire panel upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Be cautious of any attached wiring harnesses and the door handle cables, as these will still be connected to the panel. With the panel partially detached, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for components like window switches and courtesy lights. Next, unclip the door handle and lock cables from their respective mechanisms on the panel. Before reassembly, inspect all plastic clips for any damage and replace them if necessary. When putting it back together, ensure all connections are secure and the panel seats correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.